Hi, I'm Kirk Evans, President of U.S. LawShield. We're here today with a brief update on a recent ruling out of the Northern District of Texas Federal Court overturning the ban on pistol stabilizing braces. So on June 13th, 2024, U.S. District Court, Federal Court in the Northern District of Texas overturned the ban on pistol stabilizing braces. So what is a pistol stabilizing brace? The definition under the proposed or actual ATF rule was many, many pages long. The proposed rule was 60 to 70 pages long with various examples. But essentially, it's a device that you can attach to a pistol that will stabilize somewhere on the body, the shoulder, the arm, upper arm, that helps stabilize a pistol when you are firing. And what the ATF did, despite having done the exact opposite for many, many, many years, is the ATF decided that pistol stabilizing braces essentially turned a pistol into a short-barreled rifle, which was an item regulated under the NFA, and you had to file all the paperwork and pay a tax in order to own or possess this NFA item. The Federal District Court, Northern District of Texas, held that the ATF violated the Administrative Procedure Act, what's called the APA. And so in making that rule and in changing course after all these years of holding just the opposite, the ATF violated the Administrative Procedures Act. So what did this decision not do? This decision did not whatsoever make a constitutional ruling on whether pistol stabilizing braces are firearms or things that are protected by the Second Amendment or the Brune decision or anything like that. All the decision did was say, no, the ATF violated the APA, and therefore, at least as of this moment, if you are in Texas, particularly the Northern District of Texas, a pistol stabilizing brace is fine to own and possess. The Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals, which also covers Texas and Louisiana and a couple other states, has also issued a ruling. They actually issued a temporary injunction on this issue, prohibiting the ATF from enforcing the rule. So at least in those parts of the country, you are permitted to possess a pistol stabilizing brace. Now, so what did not occur? This ruling does not apply to every other district in the country, every other federal district in the country. So if you are in a different federal district, make sure you research the law, find out what the courts have done in your district. That court might very well say, hey, we adopt the logic of the Northern District of Texas and the Fifth Circuit. Or it might not. It might rule exactly the opposite, and you might be arrested, detained, charged, even convicted if you were in a separate federal district. So this, again, though, is a lower court ruling, still got to go up to the Fifth Circuit for a final decision, and even then can be appealed to the U.S. Supreme Court for further ruling. So we very well may have a different final ruling as this case works its way through the appellate court. So be on the lookout for further rulings. If you have any questions whatsoever, if you're in Texas, Louisiana, or in any other states and you possess an item that might be considered a pistol stabilizing brace and you want to know the legalities right now, if you're a U.S. LawShield member, you can call in, ask to speak to the independent program attorney in your state. They can walk you through what you might want to do if you have one of these items, depending upon where you are and where you possess such item. Or you might even have a question about whether your item constitutes a pistol stabilizing brace at all. Feel free to call in, no additional charge. That's included in your membership. Thank you for watching.